Please subscribe to Face TV Africa and turn the notification on. Face TV Africa, ẹ jọ̀ọ́ ẹ subscribe hete.
Face TV was Swoby.
It's not only celebrities that have a voice. It's not only celebrities that have a platform. If you have a social media account, you have 10 followers, talk to your 10 followers. Because you people are always very quick to insult us. British, they have gone to Colema, they have gone to, you know if you talk, you know be Nigerian. Only celebrities be Nigerians. Yes, I say make celebrities talk because they get platform, they get plenty followers. But when I don't get plenty followers, go talk to your few followers now. You know if you follow them talk. You know if you follow them talk. Because you are so funny. I read one of the comments that somebody said, even me that I'm talking, am I not also campaigning for APC? Me that I'm talking, am I not? Have you ever seen me campaign for any? The only person I've ever campaigned for in my life is Jimmy Agbaje. That was when Jimmy Agbaje ran some years back in Lagos. And that was because we sat down with Jimmy Agbaje. I have a lot of my friends and colleagues who were part of that team called 4NL for New Lagos. We sat down with Jimmy Agbaje and he made us promises. And we believed that he was going to change the narrative. And we supported him. And we did it with our money. 4NL, go and ask anybody for New Lagos movement. We did it with our money. It was after we started doing that, they now saw us, that they now called us, that we see what we are doing and everything. We did not do it because of money. That was the only person I ever campaigned for. And he was not a member of APC then. Do you understand what I'm saying? I don't belong to any political party. I'm not a card-carrying or non-card-carrying member of any political party. I'm not. I don't belong to APC. I don't belong to PDP. I don't support any of them. Because they are all one of the same. They are all the same. They are all the same. That's the truth. Look at what is happening with the primaries. Their secret is coming. Thank God for. That's why I said that social media is very powerful. But we need to use it right. Not be today delegates they collect money. Not be today that they collect money to bring it. Not be today. But you need, so it's social media that is letting us see a lot of these things. And we're now saying, it has been happening. It has been happening. And that is the reason I will never tell anybody to go and vote for any candidate from either APC or PDP. Look at what happened. In the first place, APC put their presidential expression of interest or whatever they call it at 100 million naira. Already they have cut off almost 99.5% of the population of the politically inclined citizens of Nigeria. Already by that alone. Because who can afford 100 million naira to go and buy expression of interest form? If not those people that have been stealing, that have stolen the money from government. Who can afford to pay that kind of money? Who can afford to pay it? So that means anybody that is coming there is either a current thief or a former thief who has stolen money and has money to pay for that kind of thing. That's the truth. So why would I support or vote for anybody like that? And look at the delegates. Because what you people don't understand is this. The people that do the real election, the people that choose your leaders for you, it's not the voters. So let me just drop that for you here, free of charge. It is not the voters. When we're talking about voting and making our vote count and everything, yeah, I'm not saying people shouldn't vote. Don't get me wrong. But the people that really make the decision of who will lead you is the delegates. Or haven't you seen that already? Because if they are the ones that will determine who the ticket or the flag bearer of the party is, if they are the ones that will determine who will run, is it not the person that will run that you will vote for? So who is doing the real voting? It's the delegates. Because it is the person they give to you that you will vote for. And if the person they give to you paid them money to get that ticket, then what are we talking about? What are we talking about? So where are we headed? What's the solution? What is our future as a nation, as this entity called Nigeria? If it is just a few idiotic, nonsensical, hungry, atenu delegates that will decide who you will vote for, is it not one of those people that they give to you that will end up being the president or being whatever? And they've collected money before they gave it to that person. So what are you talking about? And person will carry 100 million, come buy for me, not go make your money back.
Please subscribe to Face TV Africa and turn the notification on. Face TV Africa, ẹ jọ̀ọ́ ẹ subscribe hete.
Face TV was Swoby.